Game trip.
Move back.
Stay there now. Stay there
Jesus.
Oh, that was an air counter run.
A way back when. Or rather, I should say, I played it, and the referee gave me that.
Oh, nice. Yeah.
Afterwards.
I helped in the tech zone last year.
Yeah.
Well, Jimbo, why don't you tell the dog your FaceTime code?
My hate was not to go at that.
That was smart.
I'm getting a lot of video, but trying to do some photos
Where
too.
do the videos go?
I'll post it probably, but yeah, I'll look at GW's here. If you wanna, I'll give you my Instagram, and then
I don't have
if
my
you want,
phone.
okay. Well,
Just look at it.
here, if you wanna,
I'll put mine in.
yeah, here, put yours in, and then I'll probably post photos and stuff, and videos to that. Then probably YouTube.
There. Thank you so much.
Yeah, you're welcome.
Will, keep your hands on me.
I want to kick in the face, dog. I'm not getting hit by him. He's already done me. Dude, I didn't think you were going to come. Oh, yeah, that's right. Because you're like fucking twice my weight. Holy shit, look at this fucking gun. That's how much you weigh. Hurry him out!